Looking for crystal clear sound for streaming, podcasting, or recording? The TONOR microphones deliver professional audio quality at an affordable price, making them perfect for creators of all levels. Starting at number 1. Gator Frameworks Deluxe Desk. The Gator Frameworks Deluxe Desk-Mounted Broadcast Microphone Boom Stand, GFWB-CBM 3000, is a professional-grade solution for podcasters, streamers, and home recording enthusiasts. Designed for durability and ease of use, it features a spring-loaded articulating arm with smooth 360 degrees rotation, allowing precise positioning of your microphone. The integrated XLR cable ensures a clean, tangle-free setup, while the sturdy desk clamp securely holds even heavier studio microphones. Combining functionality and reliability, this boom stand makes recording, streaming, or broadcasting effortless and professional. Number 2. TONOR TC777 Podcast Microphone. The TONOR TC777 Podcast Microphone is an affordable and versatile USB condenser mic designed for creators, gamers, and professionals alike. Featuring a cardioid pickup pattern that captures clear and crisp vocal audio while minimizing background noise, it's ideal for podcasting, streaming, gaming, online meetings, and vocal recording. Its plug-and-play USB connectivity means you can start using it instantly with PCs, laptops, and consoles like PS4/PS5 without needing extra drivers, while the included tripod stand, shock mount, and pop filter help reduce vibrations and plosive sounds for smoother recordings. This mic offers strong compatibility with major platforms and apps such as Zoom, Skype, and Discord, making it a reliable choice for content creation and communication. Number 3. Blue Snowball Ice USB Microphone. The Blue Snowball Ice USB microphone is a popular entry-level condenser mic designed to bring crystal clear, focused audio to your PC or Mac with simple plug-and-play USB connectivity, no drivers needed. Powered by Blue's custom condenser capsule and a cardioid pickup pattern, it captures your voice with clarity that's far superior to built-in computer mics, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, podcasting, video calls, and recording. The adjustable desktop stand lets you position the mic for optimal sound while saving space on your desk, and compatibility with major platforms like Skype and Discord ensures you're heard clearly whether you're broadcasting live or recording content. Number 4. Razer Seiren X USB Microphone. The Razer Seiren X USB streaming microphone is a compact yet professional-grade USB condenser mic built for gamers, streamers, and content creators seeking clear, focused vocal capture without background distractions. It uses a supercardioid pickup pattern to isolate your voice and reduce noise from the sides and rear, while the built-in shock mount helps dampen vibrations and accidental bumps for smooth, consistent audio. With zero latency monitoring and a convenient mute button, this mic delivers reliable, real-time control and playback, making it a great choice for streaming, podcasting, gaming, and broadcasting setups. Number 5. Logitech for Creators Blue Yeti. The Logitech for Creators Blue Yeti Nano USB microphone is a premium compact USB condenser mic built for gamers, streamers, podcasters, and content creators who want broadcast quality sound in a small footprint. Featuring crystal clear 24-bit/48 kHz audio and dual pickup patterns, cardioid and omnidirectional, it captures detailed vocals for live streams, YouTube videos, podcasts, voiceovers, and online calls with ease. Designed for plug-and-play simplicity on both PC and Mac with onboard controls and optional Blue VO/CE software for enhanced vocal effects, the Yeti Nano delivers professional performance that's perfect for your desktop setup,